Welcome to this technical guide on the Surface Pro 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Surface Pro 5 can't even last an hour, you might be experiencing a failing battery. This issue typically arises due to age and wear, or perhaps from excessive heat during use. If left unattended, it can lead to further complications, such as your device shutting down unexpectedly or even not powering on at all. To carry out the battery replacement, you will need a few tools: a Torx screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement battery compatible with the Surface Pro 5. First, begin by ensuring your Surface Pro 5 is powered off. Place it on a flat surface and use the suction cup to gently lift the screen from the device's body. Be careful as you insert the plastic opening tool to pry the screen away from the adhesive that holds it in place. Work your way around the edges, releasing the clips without applying too much force. Once you've successfully opened the device, locate the battery. You will see its connectors and the screws holding it in place. Carefully remove the screws using your Torx screwdriver, ensuring you keep them safe for reassembly. Disconnect the battery cable by gently lifting it away from the motherboard connector. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Before closing the device, double-check all connections and ensure no cables are pinched or obstructed. Carefully align the screen back onto the device, pressing down firmly to re-establish the adhesive seal. Finally, power on your Surface Pro 5 to check that everything functions correctly. If it powers on and the battery is charging, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the battery. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's advisable to avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures and to regularly check for software updates. Always ensure that your device is not left charging for extended periods after it reaches full capacity. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.